So good late evening, welcome everyone in another video. And I'm here to tell you something, not only something, everything of today day which ever happened with me and in related with me. So starting from morning, I wake up around 8:20 because I sleep late and I thought let complete sleep and I feel very sleepy. So you you see currently I am also feel very sleepy and I required healthy sleep, a deep sleep. So I woke up around 8:20 and immediately go for fresh and press. I don't able to bath because I thought bathrooms are filled, but when I go to washroom then I saw washroom are empty. But I stick with my plan and with that thought I stick with plan and I not bath today. Yes. So after coming from press and brace, I go for breakfast. Before breakfast, I practice yoga, and along with yoga, I practiced few push-ups. And from tomorrow onward, I don't do push-ups because from now I also feel again little bit chest pain. So after taking breakfast, I prepared for class because we have class from first to fourth. So I go to Ritik and Sanjeev room, same room. They are roommates. So I go to F1 and along with Ritik and Sanjeev we go for class. And after taking 4 classes, we came to our hostel and I take lunch before taking lunch. Before taking lunch, I take lecture of network, which I don't able to which I left yesterday, but again I don't able to do that because in amid of my lecture today light gone, and because of light gone we have no Wi-Fi, and as you know I am not recharge my mobile because of high cost of recharge, so I am using college Wi-Fi, and when light are gone our Wi-Fi is only dependent on college light. So it also stop, and in result our lecture stop. So I go for then lunch, and after taking lunch I feel sleepy and start sleeping, and after sleeping and I woke up around 5 and then I start revising differential equation, and after revising differential equation thoroughly, amid of revising we have a snack time, and in snacks we have a Maggie and tea. So I eat Maggie. I don't drink tea, as you know that, and after eating Maggie I again start revising differential equation, and I feel very boring during revising differential equation. As you know, uh, revision is a very boring process. So but I try to revise it by lying, just reading the text of differential equation, and I feeling very gratitude that I able to do that. And you can see and you may be annoyed with that because I am making very absurd reaction in this video because I feel very sleepy. So after revising I go for dinner, and after taking dinner I start taking lecture of network, and then I able to do that completely lecture which I left yesterday, and then I start another lecture of network. But before recording this video I successfully completed that. But one thing I left today is signal lecture. No signal lecture today. I thought that today I take one lecture of signal, but I don't able to do that. I try to do tomorrow onwards because tomorrow onward I try to do two lecture of signal. Tomorrow, not tomorrow onward, only tomorrow I try to do 2 lecture of signal and 1 lecture of network and revising so much thing. And tomorrow is Mahashivratri. That is today Mahashivratri. So happy Mahashivratri to everyone. I'm recording video in Mahashivratri. May Mahadev bless you and fulfill your all dreams. May they bring color of happiness and prosperous life. So again, happy Mahashivratri to everyone. And so tomorrow is Mahashivratri, so we have no class. And I try to go any nearby temple. I don't go Jharkhandi as last year because in Jharkhandi have so much crowd and we have to wait 2 or 4 hours, more than 2 or 4 hours. So I try to go to my temple, a nearby temple, if possible. And apart from that, in terms of your preparation, I already told you that 2 signal lecture, 1 network lecture, and revising is more focus. And tomorrow no class, so in morning period before 1 p.m. I try to revise only which I studied earlier. So these are the plans, and I hope you are doing absolutely fine. I'm very sleepy, so I try to summarizing this video. Not summarizing, I'm signing off. Meet you tomorrow again with high energy and more energy, and I hopefully completed my goal. So till now, I'm signing off. Good night. Bye bye.